Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all will be fine. First of all, I would like to thank you all for supporting me. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And I request you to watch the full video. It's me, Zan, the financial analyst, and I will tell you about what's happening in Iraq and when actually the revaluation is happening, and all the news is related to Iraqi dinar revaluation. So without wasting our time, let's start the video.
In today's video, we're going to dive deep into some interesting developments that have been surfacing in the world of banking and currency exchange, particularly around the rates on bank screens that are reportedly fluctuating. This information comes from Intel guru Mark Z, who shared some intriguing insights via PDK. Let's explore what this could mean and why it's worth paying attention to. According to Mark Z, there have been reports of rates on bank screens changing and fluctuating quite a bit. Now, for those who aren't familiar with how this works, banks and financial institutions have internal screens that display the exchange rates of various currencies in real time. These rates typically reflect the current market value of currencies based on global financial trends. However, what makes this recent development stand out is the unusual level of movement in these rates, which suggests something significant may be happening behind the scenes. Marx mentions that he hopes this fluctuation is a sign that the system is being primed. But what does this mean exactly? In the context of currency revaluation or global financial shifts, priming the system typically refers to the process where banks and financial institutions test their systems to ensure everything is working correctly before a major change, such as a currency revaluation, is implemented. It's like running a check on the system to make sure all the gears are in place and functioning smoothly before a big shift happens. The fluctuation in rates could be an indication that banks are preparing for something major, perhaps even testing new exchange rates. Mark Z also shared that his banking contacts have reported seeing multiple rates that seem to be rolling all over the place. This is another clue that something might be brewing. If banks are seeing different rates pop up, it could mean they are testing various scenarios or preparing for the implementation of new rates. This kind of activity isn't common unless there's an anticipation of significant changes in the currency market. It could be a sign that we're closer than ever to a potential revaluation or global financial reset. For those following the Iraqi Dinar news, these changes on bank screens might be particularly relevant. Many in the Dinar community have been waiting for signs that a revaluation of the Iraqi dinar could be on the horizon. And this kind of banking activity is often seen as a positive indicator. While nothing is guaranteed, and it's important to approach these developments with caution, the fact that banks are seeing fluctuating rates suggests that there may be preparations underway for some kind of shift in the financial system. So, what should we take away from all this? While we can't say for certain what these fluctuating rates mean, the fact that Mark Z's banking contacts are seeing such unusual activity is definitely worth noting. It could be a sign that the financial system is getting ready for a significant change, whether it's related to the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar or some other major event in the currency markets. As always, it's important to stay informed and keep an eye on these developments as they unfold. If you're invested in or following the global currency markets, particularly the Iraqi dinar, this could be a time to pay extra attention to the signals coming from the banks. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember to stay cautious yet optimistic as we continue to monitor these changes.